Welcome to Blue Collar Ballistics. My name's Josh. Today we're going to be shooting a number of things just for the fun of it. We got a number of things. We're going to follow me over here. I'll show you a few of the things we're going to shoot. We got a couple paint cans up there. They're going to be just like these. I don't know what these are. They look like some eyeballs or something, but there's some balls here we're going to shoot. Got some flour. Got some shaving cream. I got some big gap filler. Got some dragon's breath shells that we haven't shot on the channel before. Try to shoot a couple aerosol cans with that and see what they do. And this is not the finale, but it's going to be towards the end. We got a fire extinguisher for you guys today. I'm going to go ahead and get loaded up here. Today we're going to use a 12 gauge shotgun and we're going to use a 40 cal handgun for most of our shooting. We have a finale for you today, and I'm going to have to bring out a rifle for that, but we're going to have a lot of fun. Let's get started. All right, you ready? Guess we're going to be one-handing this stuff today. Well, that was pretty disappointing. We're going to use a handgun on the other one. That one didn't have a whole lot of paint left in it. Just wanted to try it out. Woohoo! I want to try some dragon's breath and see if it'll do anything to the flour when we hit it. Whether it does or not, I do not know. All right, next we got some dragon's breath. I have yet to shoot these, so I'm pretty excited to shoot these. We're going to start out shooting at a bag of flour. Now I've heard powders can be kind of flammable when they're dispersed into the air. I don't know if this will be or not, starting out in a bag shooting it with this, but we're going to try it out. And that would be no. All right, let's try a paint can, see what happens with that. All right, I don't know if you ever tried shooting one-handed with a shotgun before, but your arm does get a little bit tired kind of quick. This dragon's breath, like I said, this is the first time I ever used it. I want to try it on a paint can. We had a couple other aerosol cans I want to try it on, but here we go. That was freaking cool. All right, we're gonna do the same thing. This time we got a can of penetrating oil, and then we got a can of air freshener. So we'll go ahead and do the penetrating oil first and see what happens. Not as impressive. Okay, go ahead with the air freshener. Woo!
Holy shit.
We had some pieces fly back here even. I've got one more round. Let's go ahead and try one more paint can. It's a lot of fun. All right, so I got one more Dragon's Breath left. We're going to use it on this paint can. And then, because of what just happened with that air freshener, we kind of started a small little bitty fire. We used some of a fire extinguisher that we had down here. So I'm going to go ahead and be ready to shoot that if we start another fire. Well, heck, we'll probably shoot it anyway. You guys ready? All right, here goes a fire extinguisher. Oops. Well, that was pretty lame. I'm gonna go stop this fire here before we get to any more. All right, we got a gap filler now. It's kind of like some spray foam insulation, and it's for big gaps. So we'll see what a slug does to that. You guys ready? That was freaking cool. That was freaking cool. Man, that sprayed everywhere.
Holy cow.
Or should we try 2 shaving cans? All right. All right, 2 cans of shaving cream. That was probably better than the insulation. So, what do you want to do next?
What do you want to do? You could fire this big gun.
Oh, make sure.
We could try this guy.
Make sure we're empty.
You brought a handgun?
I did. Do we want to shoot this with a shotgun or a handgun?
Probably a shotgun.
Shotgun would be a lot more fun, probably.
Yep.
What are these? They look like eyeballs in here.
Dude, there's some kind of like throwing paintball spongy thing for kids.
Try them out.
Regular shotgun shell?
Regular shotgun. Well, this is a slug.
Okay.
Take 1.
Did you miss?
No. I think so. That doesn't happen very often.
You missed.
Let's check it out.
How did you miss? You missed.
No way, man.
You missed. How embarrassing.
Man,
Yeah.
I don't see a hole in it anywhere.
Yeah, you missed it. You missed it. You put a hole right here in the wood. Or I can see it, look. You can see where it went.
Wow.
Can you actually hit it this time?
That's the plan. It turned to blue.
Yeah, my boy, Blue. You actually hit it. Look, it's just goo. Just goo. Look at those balls. They're just little balls.
Look at that blue eyeball matter all over the place. All right, you guys ready for the finale? We got a sloth over there. Now I don't know what his name is. What's his name? Sammy the sloth?
Gus. His name's Gus.
Gus the sloth. All right, we put 1 pound of tannerite in Gus, and we're gonna find out what happens. You guys ready?
I think he's gonna be the fastest sloth recorded in human history.
Very well could be. I do not know where we're hitting at.
It's okay. Josh can't aim.
All right, I was just checking to make sure it was
We'll have to bring in a real shooter.
good. And ready. Here we go. You sure that's still in the same spot in there?
Yeah, it should. It might be a little up.
I'm going to shoot to the left just a hair. It was left.
Was it left?
It was left.
That's my bad.
Where did Gus go?
Where did Gus go? Gus!
Gus, come back!
I don't know where Gus went. Oh, there he is. Gus, you silly guy. Oh no, Gus! Gus! No! It's just his legs.
Well, so much for Gus. But thank you guys for watching. Until next time, have some fun and stay safe.